Welcome to our app. We are so excited you're here.
So we're going to do a quick overview of everything that's inside the app so you know why it's so awesome and what you can expect when you do join the app.
This app has everything you need to transform your body and maintain your lean and fit physique for life.
So whether that's gaining more strength, building lean muscle, burning off stubborn fat, getting the tight and toned confident body you've always wanted, or just looking to get better performance and energy throughout your days.
No matter what your skill level, we have created guidance for you that will challenge you while keeping you safe and maximizing your time spent.
So inside the app, you'll get full programs and ongoing new workouts. Some are designed for home use and some are for the gym.
We even offer quite a few zero equipment workouts and programs that are ideal for busy travelers.
We've also included a nutrition section with a calorie and macro guide, sample meal plans, and some of our favorite recipes.
We share meals that we love and have personally used to get our results and ones that have been our clients' favorites.
Never complicated, always simple, always healthy, and with the Live Lean goals in mind.
And you can message us directly through the app. We always respond quickly and we love to hear from you.
There's also a timer so you can easily keep track of your rest periods and stay very focused during your workouts.
You can also heart your favorite workouts to save them for later and keep track of your progress in the consistency calendar.
We are constantly adding new workouts and updating things within the app. And we also upload at least 3 new workouts per week and have all of our different workout programs already inside the app.
You'll never run out of options here, and since we're constantly adding new stuff, you'll never plateau or get bored along your fitness journey.
So remember, we are here to coach you so you can message us, ask us questions, and provide us with ideas on what you need to get better results and interact and connect with us so you can make sure that you're moving forward, making progress, and enjoying your journey.
Whether you've been training with us for a long time or you're brand new to finding us or our programs, you can click the button below to join us in this new space and new way of delivering our fun and effective programs.
So we can't wait to see you inside and welcome you as part of our community that's always evolving and growing and living lean 365.
And keep living lean.